Here is your opportunity to learn more about 1164 Brookview, located in Foxborough Hills of Westlake Village. I'm the listing agent that will be describing the home. A delightful feature of this home is the backyard. It's totally private, and it extends up a hill beyond this pool with fruit trees and flowers and shrubs, but I'm not going to be showing you that area during the tour. Just know it's a very private backyard. After walking through the wrought iron gate area, you come to a large brick patio, and that leads to the home's front door. Look at all the shrubbery and trees that surround this introduction patio. It's a nice place to sit and relax with a book, as well as have maybe a meal or a snack. And no one from the sidewalk can see you. The climate in Westlake Village is delightful 12 months of the year, so you could sit outside in this area any day you decide to once you move to this home. Upon entering the home, this is the first room that you see, the living room, with a fireplace, and then the back side of the fireplace is all brick, so when you're in the dining room, you know that there's a fireplace separating you from the living room. And there is a skylight in the entryway. The living room ceiling is unique. It is wood. It is vaulted too, and an additional window has been added on the right side here so that there's even more natural sunlight than you get from the other windows that the builder had put into the home. Now we're in the portion of the home that has the dining room. Now, instead of having a dining room table here, the owners currently have one for dining in the family room. But this does have a good ample space for whatever you choose to use the room for. Purposely, I darkened the walls so that I could emphasize all the French doors that are on the wall of the family room, the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. So you will have lots of ample opportunity to see all the greenery surrounding this home. If you like to cook gourmet meals or have baking marathons, here's a good home to own, because this kitchen is large. And look, this is only a portion of the cabinetry visible in the photo. And the countertops are of granite, and it opens to the family room, and another portion of the kitchen is for dining. Look at all the natural light that you will have when you are in the kitchen. In that open area there where you see that stool, that's where normally there would be a table and chairs. The granite countertop here is part of the breakfast bar, so this provides an additional place to dine when you're in the kitchen area. The family room extends beyond the kitchen, and the sellers preferred to put a dining room table in this area rather than in the normal dining room for this floor plan. With this floor plan, normally it's a solid wall, but instead you're going to have even more natural light coming in on this side of the family room with those large dual pane windows. And then outside you see there's an air conditioner, so there's proof that you have air conditioning with this home. From this angle you see that someone has added a fireplace in the rear of the family room, and then beyond the French doors you have an excellent view of what's going on in the outside. The window you see in the distance is for the downstairs bedroom, and then there's also a door to the 3-car garage. There's also a door to the outside from the downstairs bathroom. There's a white door in the center of the photo, and that's for the wet bar, and then there's a closet adjacent to it. Here's a portion of the downstairs bedroom. It looks like it's being used currently more as an office than a bedroom. There is still, though, the closet behind those mirrored wall doors, and then you have a window to this side of the house, and then there's a window also on the right side. So here again is a chance for a lot of natural light. The home has 3 bathrooms, so this is the first of the 3 that we will show on this tour. And this one does have the door to the outside, so you can go directly from the pool through the outside door into the shower area, and then you don't have to walk through any rooms of the home to get clean. This is certainly a handy bathroom if you are using the downstairs bedroom as a bedroom. Very, very convenient. And the downstairs only has 1 raised step, and that's at the entryway. The rest of the floor plan is totally level, so you don't have trouble with a wheelchair or having crutches or difficulty in going up steps when you're living in this floor plan downstairs. Now we'll concentrate on the upstairs. This is a portion of the primary bedroom, and there is ample space for lots of bedroom furniture in this large room. Here again is a room with ample windows, and this allows you to look at the greenery and the hillside across the street from you and just feel how lucky you are to live in Foxmoor Hills. And then that open doorway leads to 2 closets and to the bathroom. Both of the bedrooms' closets are located in this area and have mirrored doors. The interior of the closets is organized, so it makes it a really convenient closet space for you when you own this home. To the right is a mirror of the second closet discussed in this room. And then some people will add a second sink to the vanity area, and there's certainly space to do that with. Here's a portion of the white tile that's on the shower in the primary bedroom's bathroom. The room does also have a window, so you can have some fresh air as you're getting clean. Across the hall from the primary bedroom and 2 walls of cabinets in the hallway are bedrooms that face the backyard. Here's an example of one of those 2 bedrooms.